Hey, what's up guys and welcome to my channel. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Tita, and so for today's video I'm going to present you all the Amazon finds that I have related to that girl Pinterest vibe thingy. Comment down below if you want to see a part 2 because I have so much more to recommend. Now without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first item that I have for you guys, it's my iPad case, and this is such high quality product. I love it so much. Protects a bunch my iPad. The only thing that I don't feel like it protects much is the camera itself, but the other from Apple didn't as well, and I think actually this still protects more than the Apple one. For the iPad, I really wanted to just buy one other case because of the Apple Pencil. I feel like that's what it's called, because the Apple case that I have doesn't have a specific place to store the Apple Pencil. And so whenever I would go to study, for instance, to college or to a coffee shop or somewhere else, or traveling even, the pencil will just be there. So I wanted to have a place specifically so I can store everything, and this is perfect. Not only is marble, which I love, you know that I love anything marble. I think it's very elegant, it's very aesthetically pleasing, and it has like a clear background, which is perfect. And then you can easily fold and use it like this. For instance, I use this a lot whenever I'm cooking because I really love, and I think it's very practical. As I said previously, it has this space so you can store the Apple Pencil, and you can also place it like this. All like the holes and the sound bars and everything, it's just protected. So I really like this. I highly recommend. It's a great product, and it's also very aesthetically pleasing, very functional, convenient, and cute. So the next product actually comes a lot with this case environment, which is my new computer case. What this case does is, because it's very thin, it just molds to your computer like this, and it has magnetic open and close system. Then it has just a very smooth texture here, and it is great for you to not have your computer scratched. One thing that I really hate is because I don't have a MacBook, I can't have computer cases. This one I love because I used to have this hot pink one. You know, it would do the job, but honestly, not only was a very out there, but also a little bit bigger for my computer, especially now that I changed computers. So I wanted to find one, and this is very cute. Also was not expensive at all and came very quickly. I really like it, not only because of the color, you can choose there a bunch of colors, but because of the texture here. But one thing that I loved is that it had this cable bag as well, which is perfect for you to go to college, to travel, and just have everything together. But I haven't opened it yet just because I wanted to film a TikTok, but let's open together. This was the pack. I love it, honestly. It is very spacious. The thing that I wanted was to have also a little bag that I could just take my hard drives with me, and as I said, it's very aesthetically pleasing and I love it so much. Very convenient. It was super cheap as well, and you can see on the link down below if you want to buy it. I highly recommend. A very high quality product, and I feel it just protects a bunch of my computers, so I highly recommend. And the other thing is, as you know, I'm a content creator. Newsflash. So this is a tripod. You basically open up like this, place your iPhone here, your phone here. You can just open like this and place your phone here. And then the best thing about this, you get ring light. Not like ring light, but you get light, and this is such a great lighting. You have your tripod, you can also open it. I'm just going to open it real quickly. Like this. Very easy to open, it's very light to carry, and it's just very aesthetically pleasing. And then you get a remote, which is perfect if you're doing content creation alone. If you're on the street and want to take a photo and no one's there, you can just take these and easily cover on your hand. It's perfect. I love to take these whenever I'm traveling, whenever I know that I'm going to be staying somewhere else and I need to create content. This is a must-have. It's so light to carry, it is very cheap, and also aesthetically pleasing, and you can just easily put on your bag without occupying much storage on your bag, so I really love it. Then the other thing that I'm about to show you, it's this. I don't feel like it's very aesthetically pleasing because honestly I don't love the dark gray, but this, it's perfect. If you don't know what this is a cable bag. Basically you have two zippers here. The first compartment that you get is this. I'm sorry, it's chaotic chaotic. I was just traveling, and so I haven't had time to properly sort everything. But you get these compartments, huge compartments with a bunch of opportunities to store things. And then you also get another one, huge as well. And this is very convenient if you're traveling, if you are a content creator, just to have everything in one place. You can reorganize these specific parts. You can just detach and attach however you want. I really love it. A lot of things go in here. It was super cheap, very high quality, and I actually love it. I think it's aesthetically pleasing, but as I said, I would go for a lighter color, but this is a must-have, honestly, especially if you're traveling or you're a content creator and just have a bunch of stuff. So another thing that I got from Amazon, as you probably can tell, I'm a stationery girl. I've been doing a lot of stationery videos here on this channel, and one of the things that I love are notebooks. I love them. And on Amazon, I got these 3. I actually love to just write everything down, like all the meetings, all the classes, all the things, ideas, and so on. These came in a pack of 3. They're perfect. Not only very aesthetically pleasing because it's just a clear case with bullet points. I love the bullet notebooks personally, just because I think they can be easily adapted to whatever thing you're writing, you're drawing. These have been the type of notebooks that I've had since I went to college almost 6 years ago, so I highly recommend. They basically have this strap and then they open up to be very useful. This is one for college and job related things. This is my content creator diaries that you must have seen on my TikTok. I did a whole unboxing, and so it is a little bit written, but only in the beginning still. This is how they came. As you can see, they were all plastified, and then they have here the cord so you can place it or not. I like to have it so the pages don't open and be just there, but I love them. I highly recommend, and honestly this has been a lifesaver because I can't find quality bullet notebooks around here, the stores, and so I found them on Amazon and I love them. The quality is amazing. The pages are very thick, so you can just write whatever you feel like writing and doesn't transfer, which is great because I use gel pens a lot. I highly recommend, honestly. Must have. I was not a person that would read a lot, but lately has been like a few months that I've just been constantly addicted to reading. This was one of the best books that I've ever bought, and was from Amazon actually. The book came not only in great condition but super fast. This is a book about self-sabotage, and it truly is. It's just The Mountain Is You. It is a book about you facing your own obstacles and how you overcome them. I really recommend this book, especially if you have any mental health illness, because it is honestly a great book and it's a great resource book. So whenever you're feeling a little bit triggered or you're into depression, anxiety, I recommend you to just open a book and start reading. Then the other thing that I would like to recommend is this travel nécessaire, which is actually my just everyday nécessaire. And I love this so much because not only, you know, aesthetically pleasing, my vibe, very beige, very, you know, basic. First of all, easy to carry. You have this strap here that you can just do and you're good to go. Then you have this compartment also if you need to place anything. It opens up. You can easily hang these on the back of the door of the bathroom. So here you have a clear case, then this is a net one, and then you have a big compartment. I honestly use these for my daily like makeup routine and skincare routine and everything because it just fits a bunch in here. And you also get a little compartment and then some elastics so you can place things here. I'm not specifically familiar with what you can put, but you may find it helpful. Then you also get another compartment here, and it's perfect, at least for me. When I used to have glasses, I would put here the wipes and also that little elastics that I'm always losing, but they are perfect to do some hairstyling. This thing, it is a lifesaver. It's like almost everything that I have here comes with me no matter what, everywhere. I love it. It's very, you know, moldable. I don't think that's a word, but you can just mold it. I'm just a fan of it. And the other big thing that everyone asks me whenever this shows up on my Instagram stories, on my TikTok, Reels, whatever, is my water bottle. People love this. It's from Amazon actually. It has the time here. I don't actually respect it. I should probably, but it's just very aesthetically pleasing. I wanted a bottle that would just motivated me actually to just you know, drink water because I need to hydrate myself, and you should too. So this is perfect. It is very slim, so you can fit on your bag, whatever, without occupying much space, and it's very aesthetically pleasing, so you can take to work, to school, but still be part of the cool kids. I highly recommend. Everyone asks me where I got these from, so I'll leave the link down below, don't worry. And I think they have a bunch of colors also, and I love this one. Then the other thing that I would like to recommend is actually this notebook. This kind of bullet journal, and I love this so much. Not only it's very thick, it is made from high quality paper. Actually, the pages are white, whereas in these notebooks they're yellowish. I love it. The only thing, and that's why I bought the others, it doesn't have a spiral, and I like to just fold the notebook and write it, but it's perfect. It is very aesthetically pleasing and works perfectly as a bullet journal, as a notebook. So I highly recommend. I remember that it wasn't expensive at all, because once again I was looking for bullet points notebooks and I couldn't find any here in Portugal, and so I highly recommend these. It's just marble. I love marble. I really like it. Highly recommend. And also it's very thick. Probably will last a bunch of time. Then the last thing that I have for you guys, and everyone asks me also where I got these from, it's my analog camera. Whenever I bought these, I remember that I was going through the Audrey, that's what's the channel called, but I'll insert. I love her so much. I love the concept of the video. I love everything that she does. She is a great content creator, and she's also very into analog camera, and so that's why I found her, and I was really eager to buy an analog camera, and so I was just doubting like which one should I buy, and I didn't want to spend a bunch of money, so I got this one from Amazon, and it didn't have any reviews. I couldn't find like great certified things about these cameras specifically. Now it's everywhere. A lot of influencers have it, but at the time that I bought, I was just clueless about everything, and I just bought it. It was a leap of faith. Not only I bought it because it's very aesthetically pleasing, but because I don't understand much about analog film yet, analog cameras yet, so I'm trying to get into it. But this was a perfect camera for me to just carry around without being a disposable one. You just insert your film here, you take great photos. I love to play with the film. I love to just change it and, you know, try different films, and it's just something that really excites me, and so I highly recommend this camera. And you have flash, you can just change the film as you'd like, and then you have here to insert batteries so the flash works. It is very light to carry, it's very aesthetically pleasing. It's just a must-have on my bag wherever I go. I love this one. So that was the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you know, comment down below if you want me to do a part 2 of this video, some more Amazon essentials that I have. I love Amazon, so I bought a bunch of stuff from there, but today I just wanted to share my top things that are on these aesthetics of like that girl Pinterest vibes. So comment down below if you'd like to see the part 2. Comment also down below some more ideas that you have for future videos that you'd like me to produce here. I love you all so much. Subscribe to the channel if you want to be part of these amazing kind family. I love you all so much, and I shall see you next week. Stay creative and stay happy. Bye!